By the end of this video, you guys are gonna have a professional website, 100% free with a free domain, free hosting, and using WordPress. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you my website that I used with this method. I created a website for DaVinci Resolve. I have a YouTube channel dedicated to DaVinci Resolve. This is everything you guys are gonna learn how to do. You're gonna learn how to create a home page. I'm going to show you how to create this exact same thing where you can have different options to click on that go to different pages. I even set up affiliate links to all these. If you guys want more information on how to do affiliate marketing, I can help you with that as well. As you scroll down, you can see who we are, what we do. I just put a little information about myself, put some cool pictures in there. I chose the color scheme as well. You have different links to YouTube and Twitter channels. At the bottom, there's my YouTube channel. Some more affiliate links at the bottom, and just trying to give useful information to people. And also over here on the right, I have all my different pages that you can click on and the copyright notice at the bottom. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, just stick around till the end of the video and you'll learn how. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to a website called freenom.com. Now we're going to go over to services and register a new domain. This is where you're going to get your free domain name. All you need to do is type in a domain name that you want and check its availability. I'm using SiteGround because I just became an affiliate with SiteGround and I'm trying to promote them more. So you click check availability. Now you're going to use one of these ending names for your domain. I always choose GA for mine. I don't know why, that's just what I like. So you click get it now and then check out. Now it looks like it's available. So you're going to click over here on the period of time frame that you want it to be free, and I always click 12 months. Now you're going to go over to a website called infinityfree.net. You're going to want to sign up with them. This is where you're going to get your web hosting for free. So type in your email address and a password that you want for the website. And then you click I'm not a robot. Hopefully you're not. Click to the terms and conditions and click sign up. Now I saved the password. That's just my preference. Now you're going to get an email sent to confirm your email. So you're going to want to go over to your mail, wherever that is. Just verify your email address. Now it's showing that it's verified. So click on create account, create new account. And we're going to use your own domain since we just created one. So go over here, copy it, and then paste it over here. Next thing you're going to do, click I'm not a robot, create account. Now this is saying that we need to copy over the name servers. So I'll show you how to do that right now. What you're going to do, copy this word right here. Now go over to use DNS. Use your own DNS, the name server. Go ahead and paste that. Now this one says the number 1. The one in the second box, we need to change to a number 2. So just paste that, delete the number 1, and type in number 2. Click continue. Now you're going to get this page, scroll down where your order is going to be completed. Type in all your information to complete your order, and then click I have read and agreed to terms and conditions and complete order. Now you're going to get this order confirmation number, just letting you know that it went through. Now I clicked go to your client area, go to services, my domains. Now you can see that my domain is up and running, and I'm going to click manage domain. I'm going to go over to management tools. Now I'm going to go over to the name servers and we're going to change these. So we're going to copy this. We're going to paste it in each one of these boxes. And then all we have to do next is change each number that's in every one of these lines to their given number. So 3 goes in 3, 4 goes in 4, and 5 goes in 5. Now just click change name servers. And now we can create the account. So it's going to be setting it up, and it's going to take a few minutes, so go grab a Coke and a smile or whatever your heart desires, and then go to open in control panel. The next thing we're going to do is look for Soft Delicious Installer, and we're going to install WordPress. So go to install. Now what you need to do right here is delete this WP because we don't need it. Now you're going to want to change your site name and your site description. I want my site to be about SiteGround reviews, so I'm going to promote that. The site description is obviously SiteGround reviews, promotion, why it's the best. So I'm just going to type that in there. You guys can type whatever you want. Then you can change your administration username and password. Also the email you would like to use. And that's pretty much it. Go to click install. Now once the files are done uploading, you are ready to rock and roll. Now you can see it's installed successfully. I'm just going to click return to overview. Now we're going to go open a new tab, and to log into WordPress you're going to type in your domain name /WP admin. So just copy what I typed in there with your domain name, and then you're going to get this pop-up window to log into WordPress, and you're just going to type in your username or email address and your password that you just made. And this is going to be how you log into your dashboard and make changes to your website. Now I'm going to click save my password. Now here's our dashboard to WordPress. This is going to give you everything you need to know. And this is where we're going to leave off for the next video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. I took a lot of time editing it, uploading it, make sure it was easy to understand. I know I had a lot of trouble. It took me a lot longer than a few minutes to set this up, or to set up my website. But leave a comment, like and subscribe if you guys like this video. Tell me what you want more, tell me what you want less of. The next video is going to be setting up the actual WordPress website, so stay tuned for that. That should be up in the next week or so. So I hope you guys are doing good, and thank you for watching.